In recent years, the term generative AI has captured the attention of technologists, businesses, artists, and the general public. With groundbreaking advancements in artificial intelligence, generative AI is transforming how we create content, interact with machines, and even how we think about creativity. But what exactly is generative AI? How does it work? And why is it so important? In this video, we'll delve deep into the world of generative AI, exploring its foundations, applications, and potential future. What is generative AI? Generative AI refers to a category of artificial intelligence systems designed to generate new content, such as text, images, audio, video, and more. Unlike traditional AI systems that are programmed to perform specific tasks or make decisions based on existing data, generative AI can create entirely new data that mimics the characteristics of the training data. The key feature of generative AI is its ability to learn patterns from a vast amount of data and then use that learning to produce new, original outputs. This capability is achieved through various advanced algorithms, most notably neural networks, which are designed to simulate the human brain's processing. How does generative AI work? At its core, generative AI relies on complex models called neural networks, particularly deep learning models that use multiple layers of computation to analyze and interpret data. The two most prominent types of neural networks used in generative AI are Generative Adversarial Networks, GANs. GANs are a class of neural networks introduced by Ian Goodfellow and his colleagues in 2014. A GAN consists of two parts, a generator and a discriminator. The generator creates new data instances while the discriminator evaluates them. The goal is for the generator to produce data so convincing that the discriminator cannot distinguish it from real data. Over time, the generator improves its ability to create realistic outputs, resulting in high-quality generative outputs, such as images, videos, and even music. Variational autoencoders, VAEs. VAEs are another type of neural network that learns to represent data in a compressed form, capturing the underlying structure in a way that allows for data generation. Unlike GANs, VAEs explicitly learn the probability distribution of the data, making them useful for generating new data points that are similar to the training data but not identical. Applications of generative AI. Generative AI is a powerful tool with a wide range of applications across various industries. Content creation. One of the most popular applications of generative AI is content creation. Tools like GPT, generative pre-trained transformer models, such as GPT-3, can write essays, stories, poems, and even code. These models can generate human-like text based on prompts, making them useful for everything from creative writing to technical documentation. Image and video generation. Generative AI has revolutionized the field of visual arts by enabling the creation of realistic images and videos. Artists use AI tools to generate artwork, designers create realistic prototypes, and even filmmakers produce special effects and entire scenes. GANs, in particular, have been used to generate highly detailed and lifelike images that can be indistinguishable from real photos. Music and audio production. AI-generated music is another exciting application of generative models. AI can compose original music pieces in various styles, from classical to jazz to pop, and even mimic specific artists or genres. These systems can assist musicians in exploring new sounds and creating background scores for videos, games, and other media. Gaming and virtual worlds. In the gaming industry, generative AI is used to create expansive virtual worlds, dynamic storylines, and intelligent non-player characters, NPCs. This allows for more immersive and personalized gaming experiences, where environments and narratives can evolve based on player actions. Healthcare and medicine. In healthcare, generative AI is used for drug discovery, medical imaging, and personalized medicine. By analyzing large datasets of molecular structures, AI can predict new compounds that could serve as potential drugs. In medical imaging, AI models can generate enhanced images for better diagnosis and treatment planning. Fashion and design. The fashion industry has embraced generative AI for designing clothing and accessories. AI can create new patterns, suggest design variations, and even predict fashion trends by analyzing historical data. This helps designers innovate and explore new creative avenues. The ethical and societal implications of generative AI. While generative AI offers immense potential, it also raises significant ethical and societal concerns. Deepfakes and misinformation. One of the most discussed ethical issues surrounding generative AI is the creation of deepfakes, highly realistic images, videos, or audio that can be used to spread misinformation or manipulate public opinion. The ability of AI to generate convincing fake content poses challenges to privacy, security, and trust in media. Bias and fairness. Generative AI models are trained on large datasets that may contain biases. If not carefully managed, these biases can be perpetuated or even amplified in the AI-generated outputs, leading to unfair or discriminatory results. Ensuring fairness and inclusivity in AI-generated content is a crucial concern for developers and users alike. Intellectual property and ownership. The question of who owns the content generated by AI is still a gray area. If an AI creates a piece of art or writes a book, does the copyright belong to the AI's developer, the user who prompted the creation, or is it considered public domain? These questions are still being debated in legal circles around the world. Job displacement. As generative AI becomes more capable, there is concern that it could replace human workers in creative and technical fields. While AI can augment human creativity, it also poses the risk of job displacement, especially for roles heavily reliant on content creation. The future of generative AI. The future of generative AI is both exciting and uncertain. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more sophisticated models that can generate higher quality outputs with less input data. Researchers are exploring new architectures, like transformers and diffusion models, that can further enhance the capabilities of generative AI. We may also see increased integration of generative AI in everyday applications, from personal assistants that can generate custom content, to intelligent systems that can autonomously design products or create educational materials tailored to individual learning styles. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As generative AI continues to advance, it is essential for developers, policymakers, and society at large to consider the ethical implications and ensure that these technologies are used for the greater good. Conclusion. Generative AI is a fascinating field that is reshaping how we think about creativity, automation, and intelligence. From creating stunning visuals and composing beautiful music to revolutionizing industries like healthcare and fashion, the potential applications of generative AI are virtually limitless. However, as with any powerful technology, it is crucial to approach its development and deployment with caution, mindfulness, and a focus on ethical considerations. By doing so, we can harness the power of generative AI to enhance our world and drive innovation in ways we have only begun to imagine. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. For more technology news and information, please visit our website at www.systemtech.co.uk.